So I want to show you quickly how to clean your mattresses from dust and how much dust actually is inside mattress. What you need tennis racket. These are kids tennis racket, but doesn't matter, quality doesn't matter. I need mattress. What I use a ladder, step ladder, so it allows me to put the mattress vertically. So this one will be small mattress and the second one will be big mattress. So first I'm gonna put it this way and the other side. And now I will leave it on the outside for a few hours just to get some air, and I will do it again afterwards. And now I will do with big mattress. So let me just put this one aside, bring the big mattress. So first I put on the side a little bit. I wanna hit with every angle. What I meant by saying small or big. The other mattress was soft mattress, like bendy. Paula is sleeping on that one, so one daughter. This one actually we just discovered a few weeks ago that Vera's got allergy. Is allergic on dust. She was sneezing for last year, on and off. And yeah, having blocked nose wherever she was going to sleep, or not only, and yeah, having a dry thing. So we decided we have to do something. So let's see what we can do, how we can not fix this, but look after that. So how much dust is it actually inside the mattress? You might see that. I'm not sure if this camera will pick up, but it's a good workout as well. How much dust is inside the mattress? There is quite some, and now it's falling down, so I have to go. I'm gonna go upside down. And again, heat it. And again, I will leave it for a few hours because in a few hours may rain, so we'll leave it for a few hours. The room is having some air as well, and I will do it again and then bring it to the bed. The other thing is, if you have mattress like this or like that, you need to turn it around regularly. So today is a turn, like as a day I'm going to turn it. Next time I'm going to clean it, I'm going to air it, I'm going to turn it again, just for the dust to settle. That's how it works. I hope it helps. If not, let me know how would you clean the mattress for allergic kids. Cheers, mate.